In this video, I'll walk you through the process of setting the Nintendo Switch game to Discord status. If you find this tutorial useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Setting your Nintendo Switch game as your Discord status lets friends see what you're playing, making it easier to connect and join multiplayer sessions. It's a fun way to share gaming interests and spark conversations. To begin, open your browser on your PC and use your preferred search engine, such as Google. In the search bar, type Nintendo Switch Status Discord, just as I did. Once the search results appear, scroll down slightly to locate the appropriate website. You should find the correct website, which will direct you to the GitHub page for the Nintendo Switch Discord status tool. If you need to confirm the link, you can pause the video at this point to ensure you're on the right page. On the GitHub page, you will see several assets listed. These are clickable links, and the one you need to click on is labeled Nintendo Switch Discord Status Setup 1.1 5.exe. This file is only 58.7 MB in size. After clicking the link, just download it. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install the file. A small window titled Nintendo Switch Discord Status will appear on your screen once the installation is finished. Inside this window, you'll be able to select a game from the drop-down menu. For instance, I selected Fortnite. In the status field, choose Playing and then click Submit. After doing this, open Discord on your laptop and you'll notice that your profile status has automatically updated to Playing Fortnite with the Nintendo Switch tag. If you wish to change the game, simply select another title from the drop-down, such as Kingdom Hearts, Melody of Memory, and click Submit. Your status will immediately update to reflect the new game. Additionally, if you're not playing a game, you can click the Idle button, which will set your status to Nintendo Switch Home and Idle. You can change your game again at any time by following the same process. For example, I chose Monster Hunter Rise, clicked Submit, and my status immediately updated to Monster Hunter Rise Playing. This method allows you to easily update your Discord status with whatever game you're playing. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.